Hi everyone, I'm going to show you real quickly how to make your Google form into a different language for our non-English speaking people. So when you're on a Google form, click on the form, right click. When you right click it, you'll see translate to English, click on that. And up here, do you see how it says English? You're going to click you're going to click on the three dots here and you're going to choose another language. Scroll down, click that little arrow there and find, so if you want it into Spanish, click Spanish, and then you're going to say translate it. And there it is for your non-English speaking students. So they can do that themselves. If you need it back, you just click on that. Go ahead and choose another language, and we're going to choose English now and translate it back. And that is how you do it. It's that simple. Any questions, feel free to call or email me. Thanks.